Today, we have this Alfa Romeo race car. The owner of this car likes to drive really fast, and he stops really hard. So it kicks up a lot of brake dust on these rims. He's got these aftermarket Willwood brakes in there. They tend to kick up a lot of brakes, so today I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain these rims. So I'll be using Diablo Wheel Gel. It's a concentrated formula which I've already diluted in this bottle. I'll be using a duck head foam sprayer, which as I spray is going to aerate the product, turning it into a nice thick foam. So all I have to do is spray it. So I'll spray it in between the spokes and the lug nuts, a little bit on the brake caliper. This rim has a lot of brake dust on it, so I'm going to use a whole lot of Diablo so I don't scratch the rim or anything like that. And I'll also spray down the tire, get the brake dust off that. And I'm going to add a little bit more Diablo to my bucket here. And then I'm just going to mix it up using my brushes. So to start off, I'll be using the Concourse wheel brush. I want to get it nice and foamy here so I don't scratch the rim. It's a nice thick bristle brush which will help me clean all the way to the back of the rim. Just start with the top, getting as much of the dirt and brake dust off as I can. Getting between the spokes here. This rim has a lot of brake dust on it, so it's going to be really messy. But already I'm pulling off a lot of brake dust and grime. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off this brush, get some more foam on it. And just clean from the top down, all the way around the rim. Now I'll be using a green soft flag tip brush to clean the face of the rim, get off all that grime that I just cleaned out of the barrel. Starting from the top down, same idea, get as much of the dirt off. So as you can see, this rim has a nice deep lip on it. I'm going to go ahead and clean the whole surface because it's going to shine up really nicely when it's all clean and done. So just go all the way around it. And now using my best detailing brush, I'm going to get in the small crevices like between the spokes and in the lug nuts here. I'm going to spray a little bit on here, add some more cleaning power. I'm going to clean up around the valve stem up here, also a little intricate area. The rim's already looking a lot better. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the tire and then rinse it all off. I'll be using a blue stiffy brush to clean the tire. It'll scrub down and get off any of that brown road debris and that brake dust that's embedded itself in the rubber. And the final step is to rinse off the rim, get off all that brake dust and dirt. So lastly, I'm going to wipe off all the water and dirt and everything that I've rinsed off of it using some clean microfiber towels. That way I can show the real shine of these rims and all the work that I've just done to them. So there you have it. This rim's looking really good. I got 3 more to do, so I'm going to finish that up. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Diablo Wheel Gel, check it out on our website, chemicalguys.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.